how to change the header in WordPress Elementor. So I've just logged into my Elementor account here. We want to find the website for which we want to change the header. And once we hover over it, we'll click on Open WordPress Dashboard. Now this is going to load up our website in WordPress, and then right here from the left hand side we want to hover over templates, and then we want to go to theme builder. Now right here you should be able to find your header if you have created it and added a header. So we will just click on the header itself here, and it's going to look like this, and if we want to change it we'll click on edit. Now this will load up the Elementor website editor. So this is going to be our header here, and you can see that some options appear here at the top once we hover over it. Now you can make any changes that you want. So for example, you can change the image here, and we can also change this text itself by clicking on this pencil icon as well. So the menu, we can do tutorial menu here. I've just created this menu previously, which is going to show up in our header. And what we can do is we can also delete different sections from this header here on WordPress. I've just pressed the delete key on my keyboard, and as you can see, it is gone. I'll just revert the changes by pressing Ctrl+Z. And we have the social links back up, and we have the menu itself, and like I said, we can just delete any section by pressing the delete key here, and we can customize this header to our liking. I'm just going to publish these changes, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.